Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions bringing you this week's Safety Bulletin. Did you know that there are more than 1.5 million deer-to-vehicle collisions each year? The cost of these collisions is over $1 billion. October, November, and December are the most common months for these collisions to occur. Let's look at a few precautions that your drivers can take. 1. Drive with caution when traveling through deer crossing areas. 2. If driving at night, use your high beams. 3. If you see a deer, prepare to slow down, but remember, never swerve to avoid wildlife. And last, always wear your seatbelt. In the event of a collision, it may save your life. So driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, remind them to be extra cautious during this time of the year. The bottom line, as the saying goes, don't be surprised by a deer. They are unpredictable.